Had a pretty good day today working on the LandCruiser. I got in here and think I have all the wiring harnesses and the horns and everything attached to the fenders removed, so that I think I can start working on the last couple of bolts to take the fenders off of the frame. That'll allow me to get to a lot of the underside of the engine a lot easier, and the inside of the wheel wells. Anyhow, it's been a long couple of months working on the cruiser. Today I removed about 15 bolts and 10 of them broke. 5 of them I was able to remove. And it's just very frustrating when every time you remove a bolt, it breaks, like that one. So I know I'm going to have to go back and drill them all out and retap them, but that's just the perils of working on a 50-year-old car with a lot of rust. Anyhow, a very satisfying project. I found a couple of great resources the last 2 weeks for people on YouTube that are doing the same thing. I feel like I have a couple of partners in crime now and some resources to go to for help. So I'll put their links in the comments, and really feel like we're starting to make a little bit more progress. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye-bye.